It's our Cowling family being happy, spending no money, just having some happy time. Here we go.
Just take a big shot of your hair.
No.
Please.
I did already.
Oh no, have you seen that it's white all over?
This is my hair. Having a look at the floor here, look, we've found a pine cone. And this pine cone is half eaten. The top end is still there, but the bottom end has been stripped. Look here, we found some on the forest floor that haven't been nibbled. Wow, wow, wow. But it must mean the animals didn't come here by this tree. So what was it and where is it? Okay, where do you think we should look, Zach?
Oh yes, if we go along there, we might see which animal has done it. Pile of heads there.
Over there?
Yeah.
Should we go and have a look over there?
Yeah, just if the animals live there.
Okay, great, let's go.
I go the right way because Mum said there's animals living under that tree.
Ah, right. Let's see where you're walking then. Oh, hang on, wait there a minute. Along this log. Yeah, let's go have a look at this hole over here. So Zach has found a hole and he wonders what's through the hole. And he's been looking and he has found this hole here. Animal do you think has left this poo here? A rabbit.
Because it's a rabbit poo.
Brilliant.
Rabbits do little poo.
Well done.
Before the camera starts going bye-bye,
Yeah.
we need to find the camera. We need to find the animal before you go. Then you can see all of the animals we found.
But what we can see is a hole that goes down, 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 down. It's a deep duck.
Nope. I did have a good look, and there was no even animals.
Well, do you know that the rabbits live in tunnels that go a long way under the ground? So it'll be hiding somewhere at the end of its tunnel. Oh, and there's its muddy feet sinking in the mud. And it's raining, and everyone's happy. For free! And this is a bubble, but you probably can't see it. Yeah, there we are, a bubble.